Hello! We've been thinking about the rainbow fish and wondering where we get rainbows, and we get them from when it's rainy and sunny. So I thought I'd share a story to you about somebody who loves the rain. It's Kipper. This one's called Kipper's Rainy Day. Kipper loves the rain because the rain makes puddles, and puddles make... What do you think is going to happen when I lift this flap? Puddles make a splash. Yes, they do. Who else loves the rain? Who do you think's hiding behind this flap? Who do you think might like the rain? The ducks do. And they're in the pond with the bulrushes. Does anyone on the pond love the rain? There's a dragonfly there, isn't there? I wonder who's going to be there behind the lily pads. Ribbit. The frogs do. They love the rain. Kipper's got his umbrella up, hasn't he? Does anyone on the farm love the rain? Who's going to be behind the fence if I open the flap? The pigs do. Oh, the rain makes the ground muddy, doesn't it? And they roll around. Who else is happy in the rain? All the squidgy, squashy things are happy. What squidgy, squashy things can you see? You see the snails. He's looking at the tree now. Does anyone in the tree love the rain? Who do you think is hiding behind that flap? You see the clue? No, the cat does not like the rain at all. He's looking very worried, isn't he? What does Kipper like best about the rain? That's his door. Getting dry again. And look, he's being friendly and helping his friend the kitten, the cat, get dry too. And he says, goodbye. See you soon. Bye-bye.